Hi everyone, today we are going to be colouring this. Now I've decided that this is a turnip. I'm not entirely sure if it is, and I'm pretty sure in Scotland they call them something a little bit different. I'm not sure, but anyway, we're going to have a go at colouring this in. I call it a turnip. I'm going to start with the green because that's easier than this bit, I think. So I'm having a look at some pictures that I've got online, and I think I'm going to grab the permanent green. These are my Faber Castell Polychromos. I've used these for all of the pictures on this page, and I'm just going to start colouring away. Wow, the sun's shining. It's been absolutely pouring with rain. I was going to nip off for a walk this morning, and then my husband said he had to go into work. He usually works from home in the mornings, so I thought I'd take the opportunity to shoot a few videos. So I've already done some this morning. I'm just getting the last few done to cover me for the rest of the school holidays, actually. And I thought, well, maybe I'll just nip out anyway and get some fresh air, and it was absolutely pouring with rain. So I thought, well, it's probably better to be in here doing some videos, and now it's sunny. So I could pop out, but I think I'm not. I think I'm just going to crack on. I'll see how I feel later. So you can see I am just colouring just a layer of green across the whole of this, the same even, fairly even covering. And now I'm going to start having a look at some of my pictures that I've got of turnips to have a look at how the leaves look. I don't think they're much help, to be honest. So what I'm going to do, let's just have a go myself. So I'm going to put a little bit of darker colour down here at the base of each of the stalks or stems. I think it would be a little bit darker where they're all clustered together. And I also think it will be darker at the bottom of the leaves. Now this leaf, the bottom of the leaf is this part. So I'm just doing a few more layers of colour here. But this one, the bottom is this part. And I think it's quite nice to leave that stemmy bit a bit lighter, and then it looks like it's sitting sort of on top of the leaf a little bit, which is how I think they are. I haven't got many photos of the actual leaves. Most of them have the leaves cut off, so it's tricky, but anyway, we'll do what we best we can and hope that it looks about right. So I don't know if you have turnips where you live as a root vegetable. I tend to only have them in stew. I have had them roasted with other root vegetables. They haven't got a great deal of flavour, I don't find. I like them. I haven't had them for ages, actually. Okay, now this part here can be white, it can be a sort of reddish pink, or it can be a mixture of the both. Or the two, and I think I'm going to do a mixture of the two. The pink tone, I think, is this sort of red violet. We'll have a look and see. And some of them have the pink bit at the top, most of them in the photos, but some of them have it at the bottom. I'm going to do it from the bottom because I think it will just look a little bit better than having this root bit completely white. But I'm only going to do a gentle layer like that. It's just a touch, just a hint really. And then I'm going to take some colour up. Again, I'm colouring lightly to start with, and I'm just thinking about how far up I want to take this colour. Probably just about halfway. So I'm going to sort of fade it out there. But I want it to be darker on the edges to try and give a slightly three-dimensional look to our turnip. So I'm making it darker there, fading it in, and the same down here, and hopefully that will help with this little illusion. Now this top bit that's white, I want to add a bit of something on it. Some of them are slightly creamy, so that's what I'm going to do. But I'm going to grab the ivory, which is quite light, very, very light, and just do some hints around here, around the edge, to continue with that sort of three-dimensional illusion that we're trying to create. Now it really won't show up very much, but I know it's there. I think you can see it a bit here. as it mixes up with the pinkish colour. Maybe not. I'm just going to layer it on quite thickly, and then I can see it from here. I know it's here, but I don't know how well the camera's picking it up. It's probably not really. I'm going to do a little bit in the middle though. I don't want there to be too much bright white paper. Not that this paper is bright white, but I think that's I think we're getting a hint of it. It's not always easy to tell with these lighter colours, but there we are. I think I'm just going to leave that there. So there is our turnip. So that gives you an idea of how to colour it. As I say, you could do the whole thing in the pink or the whole thing white, but I think I just felt that it made it a little more interesting to do it like that. There's a bit of something there. There we go. That's better. So there we go. Thank you very much for watching, and happy colouring.